This photo was taken around August 13th of 2015, before everything burned, before everything woke up. The elders warn us not to walk backward into the past. That teaching is incomplete. Sometimes returning is not weakness, it is medicine. I don't go back to bleed. I go back to retrieve what the fire refined. In remembering, I reclaim the light that was left behind. My green light body restores what was scattered. Healing isn't forgetting, healing is integration. Seated to the left is my mother, my last family, my foundation. Her wrongful death in September 2018 detonated my life. What followed wasn't collapse, it was initiation. I became a nationwide whistleblower, standing fully exposed with zero protection, risking everything. That pressure cracked me open and triggered a full spiritual awakening. In that same season, I understood something undeniable. My service dog, Rocky, was never random. He was assigned. Rocky passed away nearly 2 years ago. Since then, I've been homeless much of the time, surviving moment to moment. I'm not asking for pity. Most people don't care, and that's reality. This isn't for the many, it's for the few who recognize truth when it breathes. In this photo, I'm holding a puppy I wanted deeply. At the time, I was working myself into the ground, carrying severe internal injuries, transmuting pain just to stay upright. Even then, this image marked me a synchronicity, quiet confirmation that my life is not accidental. I am here on purpose. My path began in childhood, trained in survival and warrior arts. It carried me into the Marines as a rifleman, then into the streets of major cities, homeless after losing everyone I loved. Today, I stand as a disabled, honorably discharged veteran who refused to surrender his spirit or his assignment. I choose to turn suffering into service. Service dog trainer, dog telepath, animal intuitive, energy mastery healer, qigong teacher. This path was not chosen lightly. It was forged in loss, discipline, and devotion to something greater than comfort. This is not a comeback story. This is an initiation record. I was not broken by the fire. I was named by it. Still here, still standing, and still becoming. Not everyone who finds this is meant to understand it. But if something in you stirred while listening to this message, that wasn't coincidence. Medicine recognizes medicine.